Hello everyone, I'm Kunal Sodhani from Global Trading Center, Shinhan Bank, India, and we are here with another episode to understand, decode what's happening with the dollar rupee pair, particularly the most talked currency, rupee, as it has breached the 90 level as well. I think a couple of factors which are very important to watch out. One is obviously when we talk about the RBI forward book, that has been net short of $63.6 billion as per the bulletin. So it remains very difficult to understand the mix of intervention or aggressive intervention, or further it would add to the short position or no. And I think one of the reasons why RBI may be refraining at this point in time in order to intervene aggressively. Secondly, even if you see the forward premiums, the 1 year analyzed forward premiums have risen from 2.21% to nearly 2.617% now, in just a matter of time. I think that is also very crucial. It indicates the importer demand and also the panic into the market. So overnight levels, if you talk about cash down, cash pot levels, they have risen quite higher from almost cash down levels, moving from zero point 0.4 to as good as even 0.7 today. So this is a reflection where the importer demand has been there. Dollar shortage has been witnessed into the market, which is also pushing it to the right side. Tomorrow, obviously, we have the important policy lined up, which is the RBI monetary policy, where the GDP number has been higher at 8.2%, but the nominal one is always at a lower stage, while the inflation is at 0.25%. So there is a mixed bag between, polls where would there be any rate cut, yes or no. According to our uh, analysis, we don't see any rate cut happening tomorrow, because in case if there happens to be a rate cut, it can further exert pressure on the outflows and in turn into the rupee as well. So possibly we can take a pause. We already have delivered 100 basis point for the year, and the passage of that 100 basis has still not been completed to the end user. So I believe there is still scope of 15 to 20 basis still left. So I don't think there is any hurry, but yes, time will tell us as how the market regulator decides it to be. Also, if we talk about the intervention policy has been quite different as compared to the previous governor and now, where the previous governor used to intervene on a very short basis, where the range would be around 10 paisa a day or maybe lesser than that. While here we have seen whenever the intervention has happened in February, August, and September months respectively, they have been quite aggressive. So the anticipation remains. They are vigilant. Obviously, they don't eye any level, and once in case if there is any scope where they feel it's kind of an excessive volatility into the market, possible intervention may be seen. Also, if we talk about the overall global perspective, now we also have the Fed policy due on the Feb of next year. But before that, I think this policy is already given a rate cut. It's discounting 25 basis point, which is also an indication of the dovish commentary, as well as has led to be the next Fed chief is also pushing some dovish commentary, as he stands as a dovish person looking forward for rate cut as well. So 25 basis in the price, 89% probability has been of a rate cut. Intervention obviously may not be seen at the interims, but if we want to see the BOJ policy, which will be quite important to watch out, as that policy will be due on 18th, 19th of December. Would there be any rate hike or no? Is the question. It can create an impact on several currency pairs based on that. But as of now, for coming back to dollar rupee pair, I think the anticipation remains that the range for dollar rupee will continue to remain at 89.5 to 91 levels. So that's all from my side, friends. Thank you so much. Hope you find the video insightful. Thank you.